Hello there, my spooky, scary skeletons. Welcome back to another episode of My Halloween Spooktacular. Today, we're going to be making some potions. We're going to do some really cool stuff, and these drinks, can I just say, look so cool. We're going to be making these, and they are super easy, and they taste really good. So, let me show you how I made them. So the things you are going to need for this spooky drink is obviously glasses, then peeps, some fun spooky straws, how cute are these, a skewer, nerds, I'm using green and purple nerds, drink, you could use Sprite, but I'm using flavored sparkling water, and then finally, ice. So, let's start brewing this drink. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna place the ice in your cups. All right, so once you have your ice, you're gonna put your drink in. Was it bad that I was really scared it was gonna explode? Just me. So what's nice is while you're waiting for the fizziness to settle, you can prep some of the other stuff. Love the bubbles, oh my gosh. All right, so we're gonna set these aside to let them settle. Then we are going to take our peeps, our Halloween peeps, and we are going to get these nice and ready for our spooktacular drink. So now that the peeps are open, we're gonna take two. Oh my gosh, these are so soft and gooey. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, wow. And then we're gonna take our skewer and just poke on right through them and kind of twist it around. I'm gonna put it in there, make a hole, and then we are going to get our straws. I am going to use the green and purple straws to match our drink. And then you're just gonna push the straw on through. And there you go. Your peep is now on your straw. And just a warning, it's a little sticky. But looks super cute. So, now that we have our straws nice and prepared, we're going to take our drinks. We're going to place our peep straws in. Make sure our little pumpkins are facing us. And then we are going to add the nerds. We're going to zoom in for this action. Get it nice. Look at that. There we go. Then we are going to add the nerds. And then we're going to stir them up. Make sure they all get nice in there. Now, the potion starting to brew, guys. Look at that. They look so cute with our little pumpkin, and these look ready for a taste. Let's try them. All right, guys, so here are the drinks. I added another pumpkin just to make them look super fun. The nerds have dissolved, and they look so cool. These colors, oh my gosh. The purple is really cool, but this green, oh my goodness, looks fantastic. So, let's try them. You know, I didn't think that the nerds were going to give tons of flavor to it. So it pretty much just tastes like the sparkling water that I used, which is mango, which I love mangoes, but it has a little tiny hint of Nerds taste. But I do recommend using like Sprite or the flavored water like this. Maybe you could even have like a corresponding flavor to the color. Like you could use like lime for this, or like watermelon, and for that you can use like grape. That would be so cool. And now, just for funsies, we're gonna try the purple. Huh, I'm actually surprised that the purple had a lot more Nerds flavor than I would have expected. Interesting. So I'm gonna try to see if I can suck up any of the little like nerd pieces. Mmm. They don't really taste like anything. They just taste sweet. But that is a nice feature. That is really cool. It adds to it. And then also, don't forget that once you finish your drink, or halfway through your drink, or at the start of your drink, you can eat your pumpkins. Which I'm gonna eat mine right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's still smiling though. Fresh Peeps are like the greatest things in the world because they're so chewy. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a spook video just like this one. Leave a comment down below what color drink you would make. I think that like blue and red would be really cool, but they don't have those color nerds. Not yet. Woo! All right, I'll see you all next time. Stay spooky. Bye-bye.